Huwag kang malaglag. I really don't know how to position this camera, but anyway, I'm not really good at unboxing, guys. But here it is. Oh my god. I wasn't expecting that. It's my first ever Bulgari. Oh my god, this is like quality. Even the box itself is beautiful. I have to take this moment because I don't know, it feels like really is luxurious. And look at the stamp. This is the card. I think this card is written happy 22 anniversary in it. I'm just guessing anyway. And or maybe the receipt, I don't know. I don't really want to break the seal, then it's crazy. And how about maybe this one? Yeah, it's the receipt, I think. Yeah, even the receipt is again luxurious. Bumubulong ako dito as if nakaka-istorbo ako, no, ako lang mag-isa dito, no. And I think you have to keep this one just in case one day you're going to sell the item, if you're tired of it. But I think I'm going to pass it on to my daughter. You know, here's the box. It comes with the orange whatever this tissue paper. But anyway, let's open the box. I slightly opened it already, and I hope it's fit. I pick a color neutral so I can wear any season. My plan is to wear this over a long sleeve. Oh wow, oh my god, it's even beautiful in person. Wow. I picked a size small because the sizing measurement seems to be the same as my Swarovski bracelet die-on. Yung kamay ko kasi, guys, tingnan nyo, super skinny talaga siya. The reason why I don't wear bracelet or bangle, because it never fit me at all. But this one, oh my god, it's really gorgeous. Oh my god, look at the eyes. Beautiful. Let's try it, guys. Try na natin to. Oh my god, it's perfect. Oh my god, yung size niya, as in parang gawa talaga sa payatot na kamay ko. Kasi guys, kaya ako hindi nagsusuot ng bangles dahil nga hindi siya magkakasya talaga sa kamay ko. But this one, I'm speechless, honestly. Really is. Oh, you're beautiful. So now I know that I can only wear a Bulgari bracelet. Yabang, no? Akala mo naman afford niya lagi. Well, we'll see. Oh my god, yes, it's a keeper. She's beautiful. Even beautiful in person. My god.